going on, fam? So we are in the Type R right now, the FK8. Just gonna take her for a little ride. We'll hit some back roads and see how this baby performs. Not gonna test her too much because obviously it's not my car, but we're obviously gonna get on her a little bit and we're gonna see how this thing stacks up against just the NA, FA5, FG2, 8th gen, K20. Alrighty guys, so we're hopping on the highway. Another thing is, guys, I want to test out how this thing handles because they are known to handle amazing. Here we are, guys. Second, third. Damn, guys, this thing takes off, I'll tell you. I mean, I was giving it a good amount of throttle. I would say full throttle for the most part. I mean, I did let up towards the end. This car does stick out a lot, obviously. You got the baby blue, so you get a lot of people looking. You gotta be careful for people following and whatnot. This thing makes merging onto the highway a breeze. If you can't merge with this thing, just drive a bike.
Ordered it, polished it.
Power 250?
Yeah.
That's sick. They're fast. I mess with them.
I got all pictures of them. I got all pictures of them. I got all. The inside, the runners, even the exhaust, where the turbo is. I took a hone to that. I polished that all out. My downpipe. I play with these guys all the time with this stuff. Everybody calls them PT losers.
2.4 turbo, right?
Yeah.
2.
Ordered and polished.
Yo, we out here making friends, guys, in the
Dude,
Type
that's what
R.
life's about, man.